I am Joseph Nkhata. I am a mechanical maintenance engineer here at Nkula Power Station. We always love to engage people in the private sector, especially spaces like UniPod, where they can offer us opportunities for research and innovation. So as a company, we have certain areas where we want the private sector to get in, help us do some research and innovation. Recently, we also engaged the UniPod in one of our maintenance works. So we had something small which needed some fabricating, and UniPod was able to deliver. So for us, it gives us a sign that there are bigger things which we can do with such institutions. We can come together and work together. So we also draw a lot of our employees from places like Mubas, where UniPod is based. So there's also room for that, academic private sector link where students can come in, do their research here, come up with projects that are helpful to Ijenko. So that partnership can help us grow while also helping the investor itself. I learned through a certain conference where some of the UniPod personnel attended that they have some machinery which can help us. So I talked to my boss and he gave us a go ahead. Why don't we try working with UniPod and see what they can do? So they were able to deliver timely delivery. So right now we're looking forward to see if we can give them maybe a bigger challenge than the one we gave them. So the experience was good. We're just hoping maybe we can grow this partnership and see what more they can help us with as an institution. The UniPod is a growing space for innovation. I'd like to think there are many companies in Malawi, especially technical companies like Ijenko, that can benefit from the services which are offered at UniPod. Maybe more awareness is needed, so the UniPod and the private sector can engage in these awareness campaigns to see what the UniPod can deliver.